In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend the recording time on YouTube TV so you can ensure you don't miss a minute of your favorite shows or events. Let's get started. YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature allows you to record live TV, but sometimes a program may run longer than scheduled, like during sports overtime or extended news coverage. Fortunately, you can adjust the recording settings to extend the recording time. To extend the recording time, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Navigate to the Library tab and select Manage Recordings. Find the show or event you've scheduled to record and click on it to view its details. Look for an option like Edit Recording Settings or Extend Recording Time. Here you can add extra time before or after the scheduled broadcast, typically in 15-minute increments. For example, you can set the recording to start 5 minutes early or extend it by 30 minutes to accommodate potential overruns. If you haven't yet scheduled the recording, find the program in the Live Guide or search bar and click the Record button. Before confirming, check if there's an option to customize the recording duration. Add the desired extra time and save your changes. Keep in mind that recordings are stored in the cloud for up to 9 months, so plan accordingly if you need to keep the content long-term. Additionally, extending the recording time won't affect past recordings, so make sure to adjust this setting before the program airs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope extending recording time on YouTube TV helps you capture all the content you love. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.